Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. Today we will discuss about the salient features and classification of plants of plant kingdom. So it is present in your unit 1 of biology syllabus, unit 1 the living world, and it is present in your plus 2 first year science biology syllabus. So today we will discuss about the salient features, that means the characters of the categories which are present under the plant kingdom and the classification of plant kingdom. So let's start. At first, the kingdom Plantae includes autotrophic. Autotrophic means they can prepare their own food. Then multicellular plant groups. Plants are multicellular organisms. Plants have many cells in their bodies, and under the plant kingdom, algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm and angiosperms are present. So at first, Eichler gave a systematic classification system. The widely followed conventional classification of plant kingdom was proposed by Viennese botanist August William Eichler in 1883. According to that system, plant kingdom is divided into subkingdoms, which in turn subdivided into divisions, then classes, then orders, and the orders are divided into many families. So plant kingdom, what are the characteristic features of plant kingdom? Kingdom Plantae includes all the plants. They are eukaryotic, multicellular and autotrophic organisms, as they prepare their own food and have chlorophyll pigment. So they perform the photosynthesis, and by using the sunlight and raw material carbon dioxide and water, they prepare glucose as their food. Then plant cell contains a rigid cell wall. The outer or the limiting layer of a plant cell is a cell wall. But the animal cell lack the cell wall, they only have the cell membrane. Then plants have chloroplast and chlorophyll pigments inside that chloroplast, which are required for photosynthesis process. Then what are the other characteristic features of plant kingdom are they are non-motile. They make their own food, hence they are called as autotrophic. They reproduce asexually by vegetative propagation, by cutting, layering, then other methods are there, or they can reproduce sexually. These are multicellular eukaryotes. This plant cell contains outer cell wall and a large central vacuole. Plants contain photosynthetic pigments called chlorophyll present in the plastid. Plant cell have green colored plastid called the chloroplast, and inside that chloroplast chlorophyll pigments are present. They have different organelles for anchorage, reproduction, support and photosynthesis. Then classification, this whole plant kingdom is further classified into many subgroups, and the classification is based on the following criteria. One is plant body, presence or absence of a well differentiated plant body. That means if they have root, stem or leaves or not. Then vascular system, presence or absence of vascular system. Vascular system means vascular system helps in the conduction of water and food inside the plant body. The vascular tissue, that is xylem. Xylem helps in the transportation of water, and phloem help in the translocation of food material. Then seed formation, presence and absence of flower and seeds, and if the seeds are naked or enclosed in a food. So these are the criteria to classify the whole plant kingdom into further subkingdoms. So the plant kingdom is divided into two subgroups. One is cryptogams, the second one is phanerogams. Cryptogams lack seed, but phanerogams are seed producing plants. Under cryptogams, Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta is present. Then under phanerogams, gymnosperm and angiosperms are present. Then under Thallophyta, again algae and fungi are present. Then Bryophyta again divided into many classes. Pteridophyta also have many classes. Gymnosperm and angiosperms also have classes. Under angiosperm, dicot and monocot plants are present. So what is cryptogams? This group of plants lack flowers and seeds. So these are flowerless and seedless plants. Reproduction in these plants takes place by spores. This subkingdom includes three divisions. One is Thallophyta, second one is Bryophyta, and the third one is Pteridophyta. Thallophyta have simple and primitive plant body. Their plant body cannot be differentiated into root, stem and leaf. So their plant body is called as a thallus. Then sex organs may be absent or usually unicellular and non-jacketed. Their sex organ do not have any protective layer surrounding it. Then embryo formation is totally absent. Vascular tissue, that is xylem and phloem, are absent. Then Thallophyta have two classes. One is algae, the second one is fungi. Then Bryophytes. Bryophytes do not have vascular tissue. The plant body has root-like, stem-like and leaf-like structure, but not true root, true stem and true leaf. Bryophytes are terrestrial plants but are known as amphibians of plant kingdom. Amphibians of plant kingdom because they require water for reproduction. They are present in moist and sandy places. Bryophyta include mosses, horn rods and liver rods. Some common examples of Bryophyta are Markansia, Funaria, Sphagnum. In your higher classes, you will study about this. Then Pteridophyta. Pteridophyta have well differentiated plant body. They have root, stem and leaf. They have a vascular system for conduction of water and food. So, the Pteridophyta is called as the vascular cryptogams, but the Bryophyta is known as the non-vascular cryptogams. So Pteridophyta have xylem and phloem. Xylem helps in the conduction of water and phloems help in the conduction of the food material or photosynthetic product. Some of the common example of Pteridophyta are Selaginella, Equisetum and Pteris. Then phanerogams. Phanerogams have flower and seed, so called Spermophyta. Two main groups which are included under the phanerogams are gymnosperms and angiosperms. Then what is gymnosperms? Gymnosperms are naked seeded. They are ovules or seed, do not enclosed or are not enclosed in ovary wall. They lack a fruit. Generally angiosperms or angiosperm which bear the fruit have a fruit and inside that fruit seeds are present, but gymnosperm lack that fruit. They only have the seeds. They have very simple flowers without accessory holes. Microsporophylls and megasporophylls are aggregated into cones, but there is no cone or female cone in cycas. Cycas only have the male cone. The ovules are directly pollinated by the pollen grains or microspores. They do not have ovary, style and stigma. This ovary, style and stigma all are the part of female reproductive system which is present in angiosperms. But gymnosperms lack all these things. Then angiosperms are seed bearing vascular plants with a well differentiated plant body. The seeds of angiosperms are enclosed within a fruit. Angiosperms are widely distributed and vary greatly in size. For example, Ulphia is the smallest plant or angiospermic plant, about 0.1 centimeter, but eucalyptus tree are around 100 meter tall. So they vary in their size. Angiosperms are further divided into monocot and dicot according to the number of cotyledons present in their seeds. Some of the common example of angiosperms are mango, rose, tomato, onion, wheat, maize. So it is all about your plant kingdom and different sub-kingdoms of your plant kingdom. In my next video, I will discuss some other topic which is present in your biology syllabus of +2 first year science syllabus. So stay tuned and enjoy my videos like this. Please like it, share with your other friends, and also with your teachers and family members, and subscribe to my channel Sunanda's Tutorial. Thank you.